Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. As you know that we are learning chapter number 3, name, periodic table and periodicity of properties. Today we will discuss a periodicity of atom with topic atomic size and atomic radius. First of all, we have to know what is atomic radius or atomic size. So atomic radius or atomic size is a distance. We can say that half of distance between the nuclei of atoms that are bounded mean to say, if two or more atoms are bonded with bonding, then the half distance between their nuclei is a plural of nucleus. If there are nucleus more than one, that will be called nuclei. So if we take half distance between two bonded atoms, that will be called radius. In mathematics we have learned that radius is a distance from center to boundary of a circle. So that is also that radius, but definition is written in a different manner. For example, the atomic radius or atomic size of between two carbon atoms. Atomic radius between two carbon atoms is 77 picometer. For example, these two are carbon atoms and these are the nucleus of these atoms. So these are bonded. If we take total distance from this center to this center and then take the half of this distance, that distance will be called atomic radius or atomic size. For example, from this distance from this point to this point, or this nucleus to this nucleus, is 154 picometer, but distance from this point to this point, mean to say its half, is 77 picometer. So its radius is 77 picometer. That is the carbon atom. Now we will discuss the trend of atomic size in period and group. If we move from left to right in period, as we know, periods are horizontal lines in a periodic table. So if we will move from left to right in period, the atomic size or atomic radius decreases. Why decrease? It is decreases because of increase in atomic number. As we know, in period atomic number increases regularly. Atomic number mean addition of protons. So because increase of atomic number, effective nuclear charge also increases. Why it is increases? It increases because of addition of more and more electrons or protons. Mean to say, when protons will be added, effective nuclear charge will be increases. So if effective nuclear charge will be increases, because of this the size will be reduced because attraction is greater. Now we will discuss the trend of atomic size or atomic radius in group. As we have learned that atomic size, atomic radius decreases in period due to increase of atomic number, effective nuclear charge also increases and protons are added. So when charge increases, size is reduced. And in groups, atomic size, atomic radius increases. Reason is that because of new shell of electrons are added up in successive periods. We can see that in first element of group there is one shell, in second element there are two shells. Similarly, shells are increases. So in groups new shells are added, so effective nuclear charge will be decreased, and effective with the decrease of effective nuclear charge the size will be increases. So that was our today's topic. Today we have learned the atomic size or atomic radius and its trends in periods and groups. So if you have any question you can ask again. If you see any mistake in lecture or you can comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.